Hi all of you, back with another video on Linux. So in this video I'm going to show you what is find command and for what find command is used. So let me just log in as a root user first. Now it's time to clear my screen. So let me check first what files I have already in my machine. There is one file, that is good. Let me make some directories. mkdir -p for parent directory. Let me write like dir1, dir2, in that dir3. Okay, so now let me make some files as well. Touch file 1, file 2 and file 3. So now it's time to clear the screen again. See, if I find something like find in this current directory, how can I do this? Okay, in this current directory you can see these are my files. Okay, you can see if I want to find something in my previous directory, how can I do that? I have to use double dots, as you all know. So these are my in my previous directory. Okay, so if I want to find like directories in my current directory, okay, how can I do that? Find dot for current directory, and now type means what type I want to see directories for now. And yeah, that's about it, I think. So you can see these are my directories in my current directory, and where I am right now, you can see by pwd present working directory. You can see I am here. Okay, so let me clear this. If you want to find like files, only files, not directories, in your current directory where you are right now, how you can do that? By using F for files. So these are all your files. It is not showing now your directories, so you can do this as well. So if you want to find some particular text, so how can you find? Not in the file, I mean that your file name. So let me show you. Find, let me change this command, find.type.f. so now you can write like this. I want to see which file contain this name. So it is not showing a path, must be. So it only shows the path. Let me just make new files. Let me write touch file dot like txt. Okay, file 4.txt, and now file 5.txt as well, and file 6.txt, or let me write it py for python, as you all know. So okay, so now my files are created, you can see. So if I want to check only the files in this particular directory which has the extension of txt, how can I do that? By using .txt. Okay, .txt. Why it is not working? I think I forgot that only it like only it search only one file, like file 4.txt. if I want to search this, it is also not searching this. Why this is happening with me? I really don't know. File 4, let me first see what are my file 4. There is my file, but why it is not searching? Okay, I have forgot to like write one flag, that is your name flag for that. If I do this, so now you can see that it is showing me file 4.txt. okay, let me see it works only for txt or not. No, it is not working, I think. Yeah, it is not working. If I do like file, only file, it is also not working. So if I do file 2, so it is showing. So it means that it searches only the file name. I never used this command, so that's why I forgot the name, this flag name. Okay, and now I want to show you how you can check your files which are created, how you can check your files using time. Okay, like you have created some files 10 minutes before, so how can you check that files only? So for command for that is just remove this hyphen name right here, m min, which means minimum min. Okay, so let me write like minus 30, or let me write minus 10. So you can see that I have created these files because there is your f, so it is showing only files which are created in under 10 minutes. Okay, so if I do like d, it will show you all the directories. So how cool is that? You can search this as well in Linux. So you can write like this as well, minimum minutes should be minus 10, and maximum minute, let me write hyphen m minutes, and minutes should be like 60 minutes. Okay, or you can write like plus 60. Wait a minute, let me write like this. Why it is not such? So let me just change command like minus, let me write here minus 10. Okay, and here I think I should write plus 60. So these commands are not used much, so that's why I am forgetting this. But yeah, I can show you why it is not working now also in 20 minutes, or you, yeah, 20, let me write 20 plus 20. Okay, I think this is good. Now it is also not showing. Wait a minute, let me write here f. Okay, f, it is not showing right now. I don't know why. What is the problem with this command? I think there is a syntax mistake. I don't know why. What is the mistake? I think there is no mistake. There is one equal space between them. Yes, let me try once more. Let me write here like 2, only 2. Yeah, it is showing right now. So there is one more command, like you can check by time. You have already seen by time, but you can check by days as well. If you write here, let me first edit it. Okay, like m time minus 2, because you know that in front of you I created all the stuff, so I think there is no need to write 10 days or 15 days. I think 2 days is enough. In less than 2 days, how much files are created? Let me show you. All my files are created in less than 2. Let me try for like directory as well. So these directory are also created in less than 2 days. Okay, so let me show you how to check your empty files, okay, which are empty. So you can do like this. In my current directory, all the files which are empty. Okay, so these all files are empty, as well as it is showing you your directories. Okay, so this is also a good command. Also you can check files and directories by your size of them. Like if you want to check that which files are there who are under 2 KB or who are under 2 MB, you can check that as well. So you can write like size. Okay, now I want to check plus 1 K. K means KB. There are no files. Let me write like 0.5 KB. It works or not? Yeah, it is invalid. So let me write like here 1 M. M means your MB. Okay, I have to use like this M. So there are no files because they are empty. So you can check that as well. Okay, by using this, let me write like 0 kb. It works or not? So yeah, it is working. You can see that these are my files which contains your 0 kb. Okay, you can see that because they are empty. Some of them are, you can see here, are hidden files which are in your, you can say, programming files of your Linux. Okay, and yeah, that's about, I think, for find command. Also you can check, I think these all commands are enough for now. I think I'm forgetting some, so uh, I can do like this also. Let me show you. Find dot your, you can check the permissions, what permission, uh, like which files have which permission. Okay, like you want to see those files which have read, write and executable permissions. So let me write here 777 for that. So I think there is no file. Let me write here for no read, for read there is number 2, and for write your 4, and for executable 7. So let me write 400. I think there is no file. Let me write 200. There is also no file. Why? So let me first see, like ch, not ch, let me write ls hyphen al. So now I files. Okay, I forgot to mention the file. Okay, so let me just do it again. So you can see that this is your read write for your, this is, I think this is for user, this is for group, this is for other. Okay, so now let me run this command again. First let me see, uh, this number is 2 4, which means 6 2 4, yeah, 2 4 6 2 2 2 6 2 2. Okay, so let me search this number 622. Okay, 622. Why it is not searching that number? I think this is enough. 6 r for 2, this is for 4. Yeah, that is true. So why it is not showing? I don't know why it is not showing. Let me do like x for executable. So this is invalid. So why, I don't know why it is not searching. Let me do 222. There are no files. Let me do 200. There are no files. Why it is happening? So now you can see that there are some files which have your read write for your user, and not for any access, for not any permission for your what is that, a group, and this is for other. There, it means there is no permission. Let me try it like this. 640, there are no files. 620, there are also no files. Wow. So now you can understand that there are also no files. So now you can understand that how this find command works. I think you all now understand what find does, and you can also do that find, not find, man find. Okay, so you can learn from here as well. You can check the information which is given by Linux itself, so you can check it as well. Okay, I think, yeah, this is for enough. I think this is enough for today, and I will be meeting you in my next video.